Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Guide, your friendly podcast for learning English and mastering the IELTS test. I'm your host, Sarah, and with me today is our amazing student, Rafi.
Hi, everyone. It's great to be back again. I hope today's topic isn't too difficult.
Don't worry, Rafi. It's a fun one today. Technology and communication. You know, phones, social media, all the stuff we can't live without.
Oh, that's true. I can't imagine a day without my phone.
Exactly. So let's dive in. And remember, this is IELTS Speaking Part 3, where answers need to be longer, more thoughtful, and a little more academic. All right, Rafi, let's start. Do you think technology has changed the way people communicate?
Definitely yes. In the past, people used to write letters, but now everyone uses social media, video calls, or messaging apps. Communication is faster, but sometimes I feel it's less personal.
That's a very good point. You balanced advantages and disadvantages, exactly what the examiner wants. Next question. What are some advantages of using technology for communication?
Well, technology saves time and helps people connect across the world. For example, I can talk to my cousin in Canada anytime. It's also very useful for students, especially during online classes.
Excellent. Now, what about disadvantages?
That's easy. People spend too much time on their phones. Sometimes, even at dinner, my friends are busy checking Instagram instead of talking to me.
Oh, I totally relate. I once tried to tell my friend a joke, but she was too busy taking a selfie. Anyway, that's a perfect example you just gave. Examiners love when you use real life examples like that. By the way, if you're enjoying this practice, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Mr. English Guide. We post new IELTS practice podcasts every week, full of real test examples, easy tips, and sometimes even Rafi's funny mistakes.
Hey, I make mistakes for educational purposes only.
Of course you do, Rafi. You're doing great. Okay, let's continue. So, Rafi, your answers are clear and natural. Very nice. But to reach Band 8, let's talk about how you can sound more advanced. Tip 1. Use linking phrases. Instead of saying, technology is helpful, say, one of the major benefits of technology is that it enables instant global communication. Tip 2. Add opinions or predictions. IELTS Part 3 often asks, what do you think will happen in the future? You can say, in the future, I believe people will rely more on AI tools to communicate faster. Tip 3. Use complex sentences naturally. Try saying, although technology has made communication easier, it sometimes reduces the depth of real conversations.
Wow, that sounds professional. I feel like I'm already in the exam.
That's the idea. We're training your brain to think like an IELTS Band 8 speaker. Okay, Rafi, let's do a short second round. Question. How do you think communication will change in the future?
Hmm. I think communication will become even faster and more virtual. People might use AI translators or holograms to talk face to face, even if they're in different countries. But I also believe that people will need to work harder to keep real emotional connections alive.
Beautiful answer, Rafi. You balance technology and emotion. That's exactly what gets you a Band 8 or higher.
Maybe I should start an AI podcast too.
Only if your AI version speaks better than you do. All right, everyone. That's all for today's IELTS Speaking Part 3 practice. technology and communication. Let's quickly recap. Give balanced answers, pros and cons. Use linking words naturally. Add opinions and predictions for a higher band score.
Thanks, Sarah. I learned a lot, and I promise not to check my phone during our next episode.
Deal. And to our viewers, thank you for tuning in to Mr. English Guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Our next episode, IELTS Speaking Part 1, Travel and Holidays.